Hello mga Ben, nag-level up na talaga ang mga challenges na kinakaharap ko ngayon dahil mag-who wants to be a millionaire naman ako. Yes, ibang level na tayo ngayon. Gagamitin natin ang ilang brain cells for today's challenge. Ayan, what is the freezing point of water in Celsius? It's 0 degrees Celsius. Ganun. How many sides does a hexagon have? It has a clue. Hexagon, so it should be 6. Ganun. What is the capital of Canada? Naku, geography mga B. Ottawa. Parang di ka na grade 2 pag di mo nasagot dyan. Which number is a prime number? Ito yung parang hindi na di-divide, di ba? Or, basta. 7, 9. 7. Yung 9, 4, and 12 may divisible. Basta yun. What gas do plants use for photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide. Yes, yung mga utot-ututan tsaka bad breath. Ayan. Which animal is known for changing its color? Chameleon! Chameleon! Oh my God! Nasa 100K na tayo. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare. Sobrang tayo naman pala ng Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. What's the chemical symbol of gold? AG or AU? Sure na? Tama. Which ocean is the largest? Pacific Ocean. 500,000 $500,000 to mga baya. What's the hardest natural substance on Earth? Diamond? Because diamonds are forever? Oh my God! So that's the million... Oh my... I dedicate this to my family. Sana totoo na lang yung million. Uy, ang galing ko mga bay. Kaya nyo yun.